Most people know that probiotics can help gut health, but did you know that probiotics can also help your memory, strengthen your bones, and even enhance your immunity after the age of 50? But here's the catch. Not all probiotics are created equal. Today I'll show you exactly which strain science has proven to help with different health conditions. At the end of this video, I'll show you a simple test that you can do at home. This is a stool test that helps understand which probiotic species you're lacking. This can help to take out the guesswork when choosing the right probiotic strains for you. As we age, our gut microbiome naturally changes. We can lose beneficial bacteria, which can lead to digestive issues, lower our immunity, increase inflammation levels, and even affect our cognitive health. And that's where probiotics, our friendly bacteria, can help to prevent these changes. First, let's talk about bone density. Bone density is a real concern for people over the age of 50, especially women. But did you know that probiotics can actually help? The strain Lactobacillus reuteri 6475 has shown amazing results in clinical studies. It reduces bone density by half. Now that's amazing. Another powerful combination is Lactobacillus parasi and Lactobacillus heal 19 and Lactobacillus heal 9. Products like BioGaia Os Fortis and also Probi Osteo contain these scientifically proven strains to protect your bones. These strains reduce bone density by lowering inflammation and improving absorption of minerals. Now, if you have osteopenia or osteoporosis, I would not just add a probiotic and hope for the best. You want to add strength training. You want to optimize your nutrition and make sure other nutrients like vitamin D are at their optimal level. But if you can just add a probiotic and improve the efficacy of everything you're doing, it's a quick and easy win. Next, let's talk about brain health. There's a big connection between the gut and the brain and the brain and the gut. It's a two-way street. And there's specific probiotics that can help enhance your memory, boost your mood, and reduce stress levels. Probiotic strains like Bifidobacterium bifidum, BGN4, and Bifidobacterium longum, BORI. I wish they had easier to pronounce names or easier to remember names. These have both been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce stress in clinical trials. Another proven combo is Lactobacillus helveticus R0052 with Bifidobacterium longum R0175. These can reduce anxiety, boost mood, and they're known as psychobiotic strains. And if you look out there, there's so many different bifidobacteriums and lactobacilluses out there. But it's these numbers that I'm saying at the end which help differentiate the exact strain you need. You can't just get any probiotic to get these benefits. So if you're worried about cognitive function, stress, anxiety, if you combine these probiotics with other proven methods like exercise, good diet, breathing exercises, meditation, cognitive behavior therapy, it can make a massive difference to your mood and long-term cognitive output. Digestion issues like constipation become more common with age, but probiotics can help to restore that regularity. Strains like Bifidobacterium lactis HN019, Bifidobacterium longum, BB536, have robust clinical trials showing that they can help to relieve constipation and promote easier bowel movements. Combining these probiotics with prebiotic fibers will give you the best results and help you to eliminate daily. And if you've tried fiber and it has not helped, or even made things worse, it could be a motility issue, and you might consider adding in some magnesium to help get things moving. If constipation has developed as you've gotten older, this could be an early warning sign of Parkinson's. Of course, there's many other signs and symptoms, and if you've got several of these, you may want to get this further checked. But just keeping in mind that constipation is something that can lead to a wide range of symptoms, and you want to be having a daily bowel movement. Diarrhea can be another problem as we age. Even if it's from a short-term infection or antibiotics, there's different probiotics that can help to reduce the effects of diarrhea. Lactobacillus rhamnosus, GG, and Saccharomyces boulardii, two powerful probiotics that can help to prevent antibiotic-related diarrhea and diarrhea caused by infections. Clinical studies show that they reduce the time that get over the diarrhea episodes by half. If you have to take antibiotics, always start probiotics straight away. Don't wait until you finish the antibiotics. Research has shown that taking probiotics and antibiotics together helps to reduce down unwanted side effects. And if you've got diarrhea, adding things like psyllium husk or other fibers like PHGG help to bulk up the stool, slow down transit time, and also helps to encourage the growth of the good bacteria. Fiber is really important with diarrhea. Inflammation is one of the driving forces behind all chronic health conditions like arthritis, diabetes, brain function. And there's different probiotic strains that can help to reduce inflammation. Probiotics such as Lactobacillus casei shirota and Lactobacillus plantarum HEAL9 have been shown to reduce inflammation markers significantly. So pairing probiotics with anti-inflammatory diet and reducing down junk food, sugars, things like that can have a significant effect on arthritis and other symptoms or other conditions like diabetes. Do you know we also have an oral microbiome and that probiotics can help to protect your gums and teeth? Strains like Lactobacillus reuteri prodentis and Streptococcus salvurus K12 and M18 improve gum health, reduce inflammation, and even combat bad breath. Probiotic lozenge after brushing your teeth can enhance your oral health. And if you have to get dental work done, having a teeth filled, or any sort of gum or even teeth cleaning at the dentist, taking a probiotic before, but especially afterwards, can help to enhance your oral microbiome. Urinary tract infections, and particularly recurrent UTIs that affect many older people, can benefit greatly by adding in probiotics. These can be taken internally but also used as suppositories. Probiotic species like Lactobacillus rhamnosus GR1 and Lactobacillus reuteri RC14 help to restore a healthy bacteria, reducing infection occurrences. Also, there's another one called Lactobacillus crispatus. This is a strain that's found the most in the urinary tract, and now you can get this as a probiotic supplement. And especially with women in premenopause and postmenopause, this has shown promising clinical trials to reduce down the recurrence and incidences of urinary tract infections. And of course, if you're getting urinary tract infections, you can add these probiotics to supplements like cranberry and D-mannose. And these can be as effective as antibiotics without the unwanted side effects of antibiotics. So remember, I've mentioned all these different probiotic strains and they're very specific. So you need to match the particular probiotic strain to the health goal you're trying to address. And you also want to make sure with most species that they have 2 billion to 10 billion of each strain. And you want to get reputable brands. They don't always have to be ones that are kept in the fridge. These days you can get shelf-stable products. And think of probiotic strains like different dog breeds. Each dog breed has unique traits and strengths. And you wouldn't pick a Chihuahua as a guard dog. At the same time, you wouldn't get a cattle dog or a German Shepherd for your grandmother as a pet. So you want to make sure that you get the right strain that you need. Now, if you want to know the exact species of probiotics that you need more of, a good option is to do a stool test. And one of the best stool tests out there is the Vibrant Wellness Gut Zoomer. This measures not just your pathogenic bacteria, unwanted bacteria, but also a wide range of the beneficial species that I've just mentioned. And this can help you to target the probiotic species that you're missing. The Gut Zoomer will also look at other health markers like, do you have enough pancreatic enzymes to break down and absorb your nutrients? Do you have inflammation markers? Do you have leaky gut? And a wide range of other markers. So if you want to find out more about the Gut Zoomer test, watch this video next. And leave a comment below if you've found a particular probiotic that's been very effective for you and why.